channel and welcome back to yet another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing once again with you guys what's in my travels essential slash makeup bag. Now I am going on a trip. It's also like a work trip. So I just want to sit down and share with you guys what essentials I'm carrying with me. Also, this is the first ever time that I'm going somewhere outside alone without my parents. It's going to be a trip of 7 days almost, and I'm really excited. So I have to carry everything on my own, and I just hope that I don't forget anything. In case I do, let me know in the comments what else should I have carried. And now without me blabbering much, let's actually dive into this video. Also guys, you can follow me on my Instagram handles right here on the screen. Also, the people watching me, almost 90% of you guys unsubscribe to my channel. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe button. Also guys, please, if you are hearing any noise, I had to switch off the fan. It's extremely hot. And if you have been keeping up with my vlogs, you know मेरे रूम में AC नहीं है. So I have to make do with what I have. I hope the audio is not too much of an issue. Anyways, without any further ado, let's actually dive into this video.
So I'm going to start off with my essentials bag first, and I have all my skincare and other essentials inside of this bag. So this was actually an add-on bag from some VIP ka suitcase, and I'm really glad that I got this because it is extremely spacious. Last time even when I went to Kerala, I had packed in a lot of things in this bag, so it just comes in really handy. Now I'm not going to go in any particular order. मेरे हाथ में जो पहले आएगा, I'm just going to pick that up and show it to you guys. The first thing which I have is an extremely important tool. Now you may ask, what is this? It looks extremely sus, and this is a pee buddy, and it's in my favorite lavender lilac color. Now this is basically very useful for girls, especially when they are trying to pee outside, and you know public toilets are extremely unhygienic, so UTI रहता है, so just better keep this as a precaution. People can tend to give you weird looks when you're whipping this out to go and pee, but trust me, hygiene over anything. The next product which I have again is a very big travel essential for me, and these are acne / pimple patches. Now normally, touch wood, I'm not breaking out right now, but in case a pimple or a zit pops up, this is going to come super handy. The ones which I have are from Sanfi. It's quite inexpensive actually, and it comes in a small and big size depending upon the size of your zit. Then of course I have my white tooth comb, and this is actually quite multifunctional, so I need not carry multiple combs with me. Next of course I've carried a mask. जहाँ पे भी जाती हूँ मैं, I always make sure to carry a mask. You never know in cases when you need it. Of course, toothpaste. This is the Colgate Total toothpaste, and nothing much, very self-explanatory. Next I have two body lotions. One is from Wow, and this one was from Sterling. मैं last time गई थी, so of course I took it. Of course you're paying for it, you are bound to take these things. So I have two ऐसे travel size lotions just in case I feel dry. Next I have a small little perfume. This is actually not the Plums Hawaiian Rumba. This is the Skin by Titan. मैंने इसको छोटे से bottle में ही depot कर लिया. One of my favorite fragrances. So I made sure to carry this. Then my favorite sunscreen of all times, if you know, the Dot & Key's vitamin C sunscreen. ये almost खत्म हो चुका है, and I've been using this diligently from March. So one of my favorite sunscreens again.
Of course, the satin scrunchie a must-have, and ये मेरा favorite ऐसे blush pink color में, तो मैंने ले लिया. Next, oh my god, this is so essential, and this is one of my favorite body products of all times. The Plums Vanilla Vibes Body Loving Deodorant. This is basically their underarm deodorant, and I love it so much. When it's almost empty, and I love it because it has such a huge roller ball. So मतलब एक ही बार में काफी सारा surface area cover होता है. I do not 100% agree with its underarm lightening, all those claims, but this is a good product. It works really well. Next up, I have the Hawaiian Rumba by Plum Their Body Shower Gel. Now, of course, I know hotels with shower gels होता है, but I always carry in case कभी लगा दो. And I got this one from Sweden. Especially, if you're traveling very frequently, I would suggest you guys Sweden पे जाके check these things out, क्योंकि they have really nice affordable travel-friendly products. I have another perfume, depotted again. I swear to God, this is not sponsored by Plum, but I genuinely do love Plum K products. So this is their Vanilla Vibes Body Mist in their tiny travel form. Next, I have a face wash. This is their natural green tea face wash from the Moms Co. Actually, इतने में मेरा कुछ नहीं होगा. I need to buy the Himalayas face wash, which is my OG, if you know. But still, I'm carrying this just in case. इसमें वैसे भी बहुत सारा है नहीं. Then in this छोटा सा डब्बा, I have my Nivea's moisturizer, my all-time favorite. The dabba which I have is huge, so of course I can't carry that with me everywhere. So I made sure to depot that. And this is one great hack which you can follow. I make sure कि मेरे सारे जो छोटे डब्बे होते हैं travel friendly kits के, I keep that, and then I can restore my all-time favorite products, depot them, and then take them whenever I need it. I have my favorite lip balm from Moms Co again. It's their vanilla lip balm. It's a natural lip balm, very nice. ज़्यादा कुछ off-putting scent भी नहीं है, and still moisturizes your lips. Next, of course, I'm a Bengali. How can I not have a Poroline with me? So I have to take this Poroline. It's a big tub. इससे तो ज़्यादा नहीं है, but I need to have Poroline on me at all times. Hand sanitizer, very important. I never leave my house without hand sanitizer. This is a Dettol one. Again, do not leave your house without hand sanitizer, especially बाहर जा रहे हो. Places can be unsanitary. I don't need to explain that. Okay, our last few items in this bag. Okay, this one is a toner. Now ये भी again छोटा सा travel size toner है. I got this in PR from Momsco. So again very helpful. The next item is my favorite acne set cream. Again कहीं मुझे पिंपल आ गया या zit आ गया. This is really effective. रात को लगाओ, सो जाओ. In the morning it kind of subsides down. And the absolute last item I have is this hair tie. Very important. Scrunchie bhi hai, scrunchie is for fashion, but this hair tie is what comes in handy. And with that, my essentials bag is complete.
Moving on to my makeup bag. Now, how can it be a Shrikama Biswas video without any makeup? Now, of course, I'm going for a training purpose, work purpose. तो मैंने ज़्यादा
makeup carry भी नहीं किया, but just in case इधर उधर अगर कहीं बाहर निकलना हो, so I have a few of my essentials right here with me. So the first thing which I have is of course a very necessity for me, and that's a liquid lipstick. This is the one from Zudio in the shade Choco Crave PR02. Next up I have my new current obsession, the Pop Exo by My Glams mascara. It is quite tiny and travel friendly, and I especially love its wand and the fact that it's washable. What more could I ask for? Next again I have my kajal, the Super Glam kajal from My Glam. थोड़ा सा ही बचा, you can see how much I have used it. Again, one of my favorite kajals. The formula is just lovely. It's smudge proof. What more could you ask for? Then to add a little bit of glow to my face, I have the Wet n Wild's Hello Hero Liquid Glow Highlighter. Again, a very stunning formula. Just looks like you're glowing from within. Now again, I'm not saying that I'm going to be using all these products every day, but just in case I need to go out रात में कभी या फिर Sunday को कहीं घूमने चले गए, I will need my makeup stash. And of course, your girl, she loves your makeup. She can't do without it. Next, I have this powder puff from Zudio. Even though I'm not carrying any powder products with me, like any base products or anything, I need to have this on hand at all times, just to blot the excess oil or something. Next, I have another nude lipstick. This was my obsession back in the day. It's the NY Base Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Peppy Pearson. A very beautiful nude color. Okay, this is again one of my current obsessions. I don't know what Pop Exo X My Glam is doing, but they have the freaking most cutest makeup. This is their blush and highlighter duo, and it twists up to form this heart. I mean, I can't do it. I have to take this because iska blush is so amazing, and it just looks so damn natural on the skin. Like without any makeup, you apply it, it looks so freaking beautiful. And the last two items I have, one lip liner. I don't know why I have taken this. I'm probably gonna keep it back. And one more cheek tint because I can and I love this cheek tint. So and this is also very multi-purpose. ये मैं अपने आँखों पे लगा के just like a little bit of eyeshadow, I can have that. And that's it for my makeup bag as well. There's nothing else left in it.
So guys, that's it for this video, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in my next one with more vlogs from my future travel destination maybe. Till then guys, stay safe and be kind to yourself and others. I love you guys a lot. Bye.